Yo, who's ready? Who's ready? I'm just getting everything on my end set up. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Oh, man. Dude, it's about to go wild. What up, Nizam? Remind you how to do it? Bro, they make a pill for that. I don't think it was that great. Am I long or short? I'm in nothing right now. Dude, I loaded up on those cheapy accounts, though. Yo, ChatGPT? You thought I... Dude, no. What, when I said Nizam? Dude, you're getting wild over there. Am I going to hit the button? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dude, I've never done something like this before. So we're about to... There you go. I think I wanted to buy 10 because 10 would have been $150. I obviously bought more than 10. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. I bought way more. That's because I was talking to you guys while I was doing it. I completely... But they were $15 a piece. So I figured I could reload my... I got 3 of those. Now we wait 13 long minutes. What up, Horizon? 13 long ass minutes. So here's the deal. Wow, I almost did it in the wrong account. Hold on. I am locked and loaded here. So here's the deal. I'm willing to blow it all. I'm willing to blow all the accounts I go in on. Just letting you know. Do you know the average range? So this is the only issue you run into. It sometimes goes up and then down or down and then up. You're going to go to 60-point stop loss? Bro, I'm getting 10 points and I'm out. 10 points, I'm out. I'm telling her the wrong name. I'm giving her the wrong phone number. I'm gone. You won't see me anymore. 10 points, 7 cons. You got 20 loaded up? Jesus. That's the only issue you run into is sometimes it goes, the first move is a fake. But my name is Alex when I'm out. Yo, when I'm out, I say my name's Sean. Yo, I give her your name and your email. And I say I'm out. Dude, you know what's, I'll be honest with you, you know what's safer than this? Is the 350 candle is safer than this. I'm loving the 350 candle, by the way. Hold on one second. I left the ice maker open. Hold on one second. I'm back. Bro, I got my frappe. Oh, this is risky as shit. Oh, before you even do this, expect to have no accounts. Whatever account you do this with, if you expect zero, you can't. If you expect zero, you can't be disappointed. Oh, baby. That's it. Expect zero. Listen, I went into the mentality that nothing's gone right today. So I already know what's going to happen. Well, yeah, I got a bunch of 90% off accounts. So if I blow 5 of them, you know. Are you doing a market order? No, I set brackets. Where else can you spend $300 and get 40K of it if you take it to profit? That's true, Chad. Truer words have never been spoken. Oh, you got a fresh Zin package. I got my frappe here. Let me even give it a little stir action. Yo, this is the first day I'm in a t-shirt too. No, I think it was 100 and I think it's 125 bucks. All I know is whatever happens at 2 o'clock, 350 candle boys need to assemble for another smashing at 350 for full port. Full port to 350. Bro, sun's out, guns out, baby. What up, Pine Tree? Dude, I literally work out. So I go to my kids' pool parties that they have, like the birthday pool parties and whatnot. And I'm like one of the only dads that takes their shirt off. That's what I work out for that. So all the other kids' moms can just look. I make sure to prep for it too. Like 2 weeks before I know I'm going in the pool for the pool party, I'm like cutting down the sugars, the carbs, really lean it up the last 2 or 3 weeks. Oh, yo, take your profit. Dude, the problem with Vegas is I land at 10 o'clock because that's when my plane comes in. I start devouring alcohol. And by the time I hit the pool, I'm like 7 drinks in. I probably ate a burger and fries for lunch. And I look freaking soft. I don't know. Maybe sometime this year for like a weekend or a couple days. Oh, baby. Full Porte. Dude, I do stay lean year round. I gotta. It's too hard to take it off. Plus, I play sports all year round. I play all types of shit. Yeah, I have no idea what my body fat is. I'm 41 though. I don't know how old you are, Sean, but I'm 41. I still have abs, which is a huge plus. But I'm like 190, 192, like 5'11. Oh, this is about to get crazy. All right. All right, boys. I just want to make sure my candle starts at the. That's how I got fucked today. The candle didn't start at the right time. Oh, I'm 34 with the joints of a 100-year-old. Yeah, I always use ATM strategy. Yep. I'm setting up my I'm setting up my take profit only 45 ticks.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Bro, I got a huge issue with Oh, that sucks. Top Step was only allowing me to do 2 to the upside, 1 to the downside. All right, boys. Holla at your boy. Hold them cheeks. Diamond cheeks. Diamond butt cheeks, boys. Oh, here we go. Fuck, here we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order rejected.
This copy trader fucked up. Did it fuck up? Hold on. This was blown last night. I don't know. Maybe it didn't fuck up. Hold on one second. 82. It fucked up on this account. It fucked up on one account, and did it fuck up on that one? It fucked up on these two accounts. And then obviously this account. It did good on these two accounts, all of these, and then fucked up on two. That's so weird how it works. Dude, that didn't really go up that much. That honestly didn't really go up that much. Damn, $600 to passing this account. Not passing this account, getting a payout. Dude, I'll take that. I'll take what just happened. I don't know, man. The copy traders fucking whack sometimes. Guys, if you can't have some fun on FOMC day, I don't know what to say. I'm taking all my copy trading off, by the way. What am I? Oh, I just made money in Bull Knox. So I turn off my copy trade and enter individually because that split millisecond can make a difference. Yeah, you're right. Weird. I was right in buying, but it grabbed liquidity first. And dude, I told you that's the biggest thing about FOMC is it goes the wrong way. Yo, tell ChatGPT that they owe you. Tell them, tell ChatGPT that they were wrong and they owe you some sloppy toppy. I don't think you can do limits here. That's what I did. Buy limit. I mean, let's all be real. That was just some real degenerate shit right there. Like, we all know it wasn't trading. It was just straight degenerate shit. And if you're in on it, you had some fun. If you're not in on it, you just watch. I mean, yeah, 100%. That, like, I'm just saying, for anybody who's watching, like, that wasn't trading. That was just having fun. And that's what it was. And if you're in with the fun, you're in with it. If you're not, you're not. I get it either way. Joe, I almost just bought 7. That's all it is. Shooting the dice. Now, what sucks is you kind of have a period of time. Powell's got to talk. You have Powell talking at 2:30. He talks at, I believe. That was less fun than I thought. Yo, CT, we're about to you hitting the 350 candle? Yo, Apex should do the $85. Yo, they should do $85, man. I don't know why they don't. They probably know a bunch of people are going to pass the accounts. So previous hour got swept. Did you just take that? Tell me you just took that. Denial on the way, guys? Hell no. Yo, you definitely had the hourly sweep, though. Oh, this thing just ripped it. Oh, baby. Yo, Apex denial gang? Nah, man, no hoodie. Sun's out, guns out, baby. Nah, it's starting to get warmer by me. I just took a shower and I was just feeling good. Just remember, he still has to talk. So when he gets on and talks, shit's probably going to get wild. Anyone hit on those candles? Yeah. I love when the news comes out, Tradeovate like fucking freezes. So no one actually knows what's going on. It like freezes for a quick second. Fired up, baby. Dude, did they take my money out yet? Dude, Take Profit Trader still hasn't taken my money out. Yo, Gen Z Quant is back in here. What's up, man? Basically a 70-point move in both directions with nothing happening, pretty much. Yeah, well, he talks in 20 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Dell, you caught all those boners? You like that meme with the chick with all the hot dogs? Oh. Yo, they actually removed your comment that says that. Your last comment, Dell, they removed it from YouTube. Yo, actually, they removed your last two. They removed your last two comments. Nobody even knows what I'm talking about. Yeah. Dell says he caught all those boner candles. I am here. Oh. Corey. Dude, this thing's going for it. This thing's. We're right at the initial bounce, right here. See what happens. Dude, we're gonna have are we just gonna chop again until Powell starts talking? Dude, I think it's the words. I think it's the word. They hide your comment. I had to say it because nobody probably knew what I was talking about. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're going to run until Powell starts talking, then we're going to reverse. Hit us with the old reverse Uno card come 2:30. Last time we went above, we ran a bit. Did not happen. Did not happen. Did not happen. Dovish, but people are bidding the same thing. That was a clean $92. Do not come. Do not come. Oh. Dude, Take Profit Trader's been lacking. I don't know why they're so behind. Just send my money to the wallet. They don't want you playing this and making money. Oh, I don't have a stop loss. Fuck. What about 90% happens? Wait, what? Whoa, what time 90% happens? Dude, you're late. You're late. I think it's all done. All done. Yeah, I think all that's gone. You were working? You got to have priorities, man. As long as it stays above this line, let's see if this breathes. Let it breathe, baby. There we go. 145 bucks. Let it breathe. Yeah, it's done. They're not running the 90% off anymore. Bro, it's over. I just checked for you. I was hoping to see if it was still there, but it's not. Pump! Dude, SoFi is up 5% today. Sean, those are nice. You could pass them in one day. Take Profit Trader is probably the best one out of all of them right now. Take Profit Trader is probably where it's at. What's up, Marie? I bet tomorrow's going to be real good. I hope so. Going back to the well again on this. Pop it. Quick 50. I need Powell to step in and say market pumping news. Yo, Warren Thorne, welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome, welcome. Yo, I hope so. Believe me, man. Yo, I am fucking BD in stuff. I need that guy to come on and pump us up, baby. I've got my stop at 94. And I grabbed 5 micros. DCA slinging was great today. What were you doing? Adding on the way down? Adding on the way back? Come on. Hold the fucking line. There we go. Let's go. Yo, Dell, what were you? Just kept on shorting as it moved up or longing it? Adding on the way down? What does Jerome do? Sean, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, dude. They dude, this thing's fucked up. $25 deep made me like 205 seconds. That chop early in the day almost killed my take profit eval. Yeah. So technically, oh, you're in an eval. Okay, you're good. You're good. I was gonna say you can't trade the pro accounts during news, but you got it. You got the eval. All right, so here's the official news. Fed holds the Fed rate steady, slows U.S. Treasuries runoff from $25 billion to $5 billion a month. QT slowing equals positive for risk assets. This is likely the catalyst to trigger a sharp rally. Let's go. Yeah. If they're lowering QT, that's really good. That's really good. So, not that we're just going to go to the moon, but that's less pressure in the market. So, well, yeah, Marie. I'll tell you what. When it dropped under 19,000, I bought a bunch of stock. I was definitely a buyer. Yeah, I was definitely a buyer. Oh, we're back over? We're back over? Are we back? I'm in a wiki situation? Bro, what are you doing? I feel like they're going to run this shit so bad. I feel like they're going to run it. And this is why. Let me zoom out. MSTY. Oh, that's the MSTR leverage, right? Yeah, that's one of the yield max leverage ones. Yep. I've been looking at that stuff. Do you like it? Is that the first yield max one you bought? I've been looking to see to maybe sell puts on those yield max plays or grab some shares. I got to look into it. We broke the downtrend. If we can get back over, it looked really good to the upside. I like this. I'm still hanging tough. Holy crap, dude. Change your chart to black background. I think they're all black. Oh, this one? Oh, you know why I don't have this one at black? I'll show you why. Because all the writing on this indicator is black. See how it's all black? I don't even know what this was. Oh, this was my Renkos. I had the Renkos up. Yeah, you buy it for the dividends? Yeah. I was thinking about it. It's on my list of things I want to look into. With some of those yield maxes, and then yeah. The dividends are super large. I guess what they say is they actively trade that stock, and that's why you get the dividends. And I wanted to see it side by side on like MSTR, or if you bought the yield max, and see what you'd make more on. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, I think we're in a holding pattern for the next 3 minutes. Who's playing the Jerome Powell candle? I think he's going to take this to the freaking promised land. I have this weird feeling we're going to see 20,000. Donald Cooper's in the house. I just feel like Powell's going to say something. Yeah, I'm thinking pump. What's up, man? Bring us up to the promised land, baby. Yeah, Luke. Yeah. As soon as he steps on the podium, good afternoon, the market will go, oh, yeah. Dude, what if he trips on the way to the podium? What if he just like face plants on the way to the podium? Do we go long? Do we long that? I kind of want to buy because he comes on in 1 minute. I'll take a risk. I'll risk it for the biscuit. We're kind of oversold. He's not chewed. Dude, when he kept falling, it was like, bro, like enough's enough. Maybe he's going to talk about how much money.
700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
I think they'll do cuts this year again. Oh, that was a nice hit. That was $117. I'm out. He's on the podium now, I think. Dude, I love the Biden things. When he starts talking, fucking no clue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just going to take off. I grabbed the speculative long. He said the economy is strong. I might hold this. Let's see how long he pushes it. I would like to move to break even is what I'd like to do. All right, I'm at break even. This is a free trade. This is a free long, guys. This is a free long. I'm going to move it up under this candle. Dude, I'm just going to move this up as we go up. As we proceed to give you what you need. Come on. Push it. All right. $307. That's pretty legit. Yo, Jay Styles, you getting that? Thank you, Powell. I just passed an Apex eval. Yo, make sure you tweet him. Shoot him the old tweet. Holy shitbags. Bro, they just dropped it like it's hot. Holy dude. Oh, I made a mistake. I went long, but I hit the button twice. Oh, this is all right. What else I got? Yeah, decline, slow pace of the decline of the balance sheet. Yep. Push it. Oh, Bartolo, baby, you close. Dude, you're close. They're going to push it. All right, I just went to break even. Oh, I just lost 20 cents. I should have taken my $60. Yo, I hope so. I hope he gets on the Trump train, starts driving this market back up. I'm going to try another long. All right, I'm taking that. It's a $85, $94. He keeps saying uncertainty. Bro, somebody needs to freaking give him the pimp slap. He needs to get pimp slapped. Stop talking like that. I'm going to be honest with you. The slowing of the balance sheet runoff is monstrous. That's a huge, huge thing. Like, that's a massive thing. MD, what up, MD? Cove meaning Vancouver? No, I'm over in New York. Nah, are you in Vancouver, man? This is the most positive I heard him for years. Yo, it sounds positive. Sounds great. Tell him to pump up the market. Pump it up. Yo, every time somebody says pump it up, all I can think about is those Reeboks when we were younger that you'd pump up. I feel like I'm going to the well one too many times here to the upside. That or we're just going to get a massive green candle up top. Nope. Been to the well one too many times here. I felt that. It felt that way. Well, that's why I was playing small size. I went down from minis to micros. Media questions now. Let me know when he's off, though. Because once he's off, the market should trend one way or the other. Somebody asked him if Trump asked him to cut rates, if he would, and he said no. Not now. But he damn, Sean, you blew it. He's even talking fast today. Dude seems like he's in a good mood. We must have been through the worst of it. I hope so. You got yo-yoed? Bro, yo-yoing is the worst. It is literally the worst. Where you go long and then you get out, you get stopped out, and then you go short, and then it goes the other way. You just want to punch the freaking screen. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. So I ended up blowing one last night. I blew one last night, and I'm waiting for them to take the money out of this one. I want them to take my money out before I trade it because I want it. Just trying to pepper them with some money. Just trying to get a little bit in there. Oh, Alex, what are you doing? Yeah. Hey, man, you blow some account. You know what the biggest problem was? I streamed last night and I started trading funded accounts because I'm so used to trading funded accounts. I was like, yeah, I'm just going to trade funded accounts on the stream. I will never trade a funded account during Asia again. I am completely out on that. There's no more funded accounts after New York. I'll just sit. Holy shit bags. Dude, I'm not even going to lie. Dude, this has been a great day. It's crazy how I blew my account sitting in trades, reset, and then went up 1,000 using 5 micros DCAing. I think I'm a bona fide DCAer. Yo, Asia is whack, man. You know what the problem with Asia is? Like, it'll pop and they'll come right back down, and then it'll drop and then come right back down. Like, the moves are very like inconsistent. Hard data, not soft data. Hard data. Is that data that's been turned on? What up, Corey? Yo. It's all about New York. We're way above. See, I don't. When you have data, I don't play the sweeps, to be honest with you. They're taking it up. Holy. Yo, I think we're going to gap up big tomorrow. I think we're going to gap up over 1% tomorrow. I could be completely wrong. I just feels that way. It feels like they're just going to bring this up. Yo, what up? I chickened out on this one. Yo, your butthole got tight. I've taken my profits and dipping. Need 600 more to pass. What size account? 50 or 25K? With them easing QT, I wouldn't be surprised for this, to run for at least a week or two. Get a nice little bull run out of it. Every time we got to break a structure, it's sold off. Let's see if I do it. I'll go to dark theme for everybody. Dude, here we go. That guy uses 30 seconds to get in. Yeah, so like that guy gets in at like 350 to the downside. If you were playing like the sweeps, I don't really know. I'm not paying attention. Oh, so you're halfway there, Corey. You're right there. Dude, this thing just keeps going. Just keeps going. I want to see a pullback to 34 would be magical. I just don't think we're going to get it. Pull back all the way down to the green line would be optimal. I just don't see it happening. I just took a quick scalp to the upside. Let's see what happens. I'm out. I mean, I kind of like it. Back to the well. Dude, I played it so many times. I know I'm going to get burnt. It's going to burn when I pee after the last one. It just feels like it's following the 9 up. You know, it's just following the purple line. Come on, give a pump. Give a pump. Give me a real pump. Come on. Who the fuck's calling me from? I got no idea who that is. Yo, what up, Waldo? Dude, he just said tariffs? Oh, why do you say tariffs? What's the deal? What do you say about tariffs? What up, Mara? Oh, shit. Oh, no. Is he about to ruin the market? Is he going to single-handedly ruin this pump? We're pumping, dude. Get off the stage. If this comes underneath, I'm going to short it. I'm worried now that he's talking tariffs. Oh, bro. Somebody get him off. Get him off the stage. Stop it, bro. Dude, who asked that fucking question? Pandemic inflation? Bro, who's asking these questions? You know that person just went short and then was like, yo, can I ask a question real quick? That's exactly what happened. Well, I already bought everything I want, so at this point, I want to go up. Bro, he's saying trade war? This chart looks good, though. This looks like it wants 20,000. Oh, fuck yes. That's 300 bucks. I don't know what he just said. I don't know what he just said. That was just 300 bucks. Oh, nice. Dude, Daddy needed that. Thank you. Thank you, Jerome. Jerome Powell. Dude. Yo, this thing is just fucking climbing. Holy shit. 6. Dude, I'm up $7,800 today. Wow. Dude, I'm up 1,700 in my my Robinhood account also. Dude, I just bought the dip. I just, when we dipped, I bought. Hopefully we stay up where I can get rid of some of this shit. Like that's some of the idea is for me to get rid of it. Yo, what up, Coach Fred? Did you copy trade all those accounts? Some of them I did, John. Some of them I did. Yeah, I saw Harvard doing that, dude. Harvard's getting wild. Yeah. Yep. I'll smash or pass him tomorrow. Powell is speaking. I don't know if he's done yet. Anybody know if Powell's done? We might just go up the rest of the day, by the way. This might be like we trend until the day is over. Just throwing it out there for people. I just made 100. I just made 95. If this comes back a little bit, I'm going to rebuy it. Come back down a little bit. Come back like 10 points. And then let me jump in. And let me just jump in. You may not come back down. What? Hey, what's up, Shari? He's not done. He's not done.
700 billion and $1,300,000,000,000,000,000.
Diddy Fading King. Why am I not in Patrick's garage trading? I don't know. I have no idea because I'm in my office at my house trading. He's done. Is he finally done for reals? Billions and billions.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm going to come.
Don't be surprised if we trend up the rest of the day. Yo, imagine he gets off the stage, he just drops the mic. That's when you know we're really going to go up. Dude, this thing's just going to crank. Dude, Soros got him? Why? What did they just ask? What did they just ask?
China.
Yo. I'm taking that. That was like 200 and something bucks. I'm telling you, this thing's going all the way up. Pull back to 25 and just keep the gravy train going. Whoa, 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 whoa. What just happened? I didn't say I was in. I put it here. Another TP. Dude, they haven't taken my money out, man. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for them to take my money out. There's no payout today because Take Profit Trader will not take my money out. That's why I'm not getting a payout. I'm kind of sick over it. All the way up. Nothing can stop us. We're all the way up. It's not even a lot. It's like $100. It's just yesterday. It was daily payouts. Every day I take whatever I got. Whatever I happen to do in there, I just take out. So I was up, I was trying to take out like $100. That's usually the lowest I'll take out is 100. But $100 is $100. I want my money, but they play the game so that they want me to trade the account so they don't have to pay me the money. And I'm not fucking doing anything until they pay me the money. Not fucking leaving. Oh, Enchanted. Yeah. I know that feeling. What up, Vicious? Yeah, well, I refuse to, listen, if you owe me the money, I'm not going to trade and possibly mess it up. So I'll just sit here and wait. I'll sit here and wait. And when they pay me the money, they pay me the money. Damn. Yo, never chase candles. Yeah. I feel you on that, man. Dude, we're going higher. Holy fuck. Dude, yo, my shit's at Between this and Robinhood's at $9,000 today. Dude, I held this the whole fucking time. I forgot I was even in it. How's that sound? I forgot I was even in it. Dude, I wouldn't short. I would not short right now. You got to be freaking crazy to short. There's just no need to. There has to be a retracement. I don't know, man. I don't know if there's going to be one. You're just kind of following the 9. Yeah, I mean, this is super clean. When there's going to be a retracement is when you're going to start seeing massive candles. That's when you know it's usually at the end. You know, you kind of get a blow off top. Yeah, no rules, baby. I mean, this thing could just keep going. It never came down and get me? Cool. See how you're starting to get away from the 9? That to me is starting to be like, okay, now we're starting to accelerate. And then at that moment, I would say we're going to flip around. Whoop. 20,100. Dude, he's not done yet? I thought he was done. That guy's still on there? I thought he was done. Yo, who's playing the 350 candle? I bet you the 350 candle is going to be wild today. I think you're in for a freaking wild ass candle. See how you're starting to accelerate now? I would say this top is going to come soon. Jay Styles, you don't get in up here. You know, you watch at this point. You sit here and just watch it. It's got to come back to trend eventually. It always does. So at some point, it's going to come back and dip to the trend. That's the only way I would take it. You know, maybe we come back to 20,100, down 20 points. Have the 9 come up a little bit. You know, you can't chase this at this point. I mean, the problem is if you chase this at this point, any little bit, you're going to feel like the top is like right around the corner. You know, so you're just going to take baby gains anyways, because you're going to be like, oh, the top is almost here. The top's almost here. You know. That's crazy. See how the distance starts to become greater between the 9 and the candles? That's where you start to say, hey, the top's coming to not the top, but it's going to have some type of pullback. Right here wouldn't be terrible. Kind of come back to the 9 real quick. Looking sloppy toppy. That's 20 points down. I think it's going to flag, and then we're going to push into close, personally. I don't think we're done pushing. I just think it's got to consolidate first. Did Jerome just get off? 15 for 15. Took many. Yo, that's freaking awesome, Profit. Holy shit. Bro, this thing just dumped. This thing just unloaded. I didn't realize it, dude. We just dropped 40, 55. Dude, we just dropped a lot of points. Jeez. I still think it's going to pump into close. That's my honest opinion is we got to pump into close. Right when I look at my phone, come on. I mean, I would take it down to the 34. Come on. It feels like it's going to go lower, but it's definitely going to end higher, I feel. It might come back down. This is where you get yo-yoed. You're like, oh, I'm going long. I'm going short. I'm going long. I'm going short. I think there's just so much buying right now that what up, Prelim? Brad's in the house. Trying to make some money here. Dude, these fucking candles are bigger than you think they are. Come on. Pump it up. Oh, I should have taken it. I should have taken it. I was up like $100. I'm just waiting to see the big fucking green candle that comes in here. All right, I took it. What did I take? 65. I took 65 and 65. Oh, and there it is. There it is. Yo. This has the look of a bounce, and then it's going to come back down and then all the way up. What up, Keith? What up? What up? Bro, the amount of questions. Dude, I was going to say, I don't remember the last time he spoke this long. Pete, I can't believe I believe I entered at the very top in a buy. Oh, dude, we were talking about that. It's not worth the chase. It's not worth the chase. I think we're going to have a like consolidation, and then the last 10 minutes we're going to rip. Maybe that 350 candle rips up and then just continues. This looks like it's going to dump. This looks dumpy. This looks very dumpy. Like, you know, not like we're going all the way down, but I just moved my back and cracked it like 3 times. It can't stay over the 9. Can't stay over the 9. Yo, I'm just curious. Did you hear that? Did you guys hear that, by the way? Do you get the cha-ching, cha-ching, or no? Or did I take the thing off? No. I was in on Ninja Trader, and when they move my stop down, it goes cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. I think maybe I took it off. I still think we're going up. Overall up. Definitely overall up. Dude, we're up almost 2% on the day. That's crazy. Even a close around here is super positive. Now he's done. Are you okay? Okay. Should have just taken my fucking money. It's hard to see how much I'm up. Should have just taken the fucking money. I was up like $70. I was like, should have just clicked the button. I'll give it one more shot. One more shot. One opportunity. This is all I got. All the way down? I don't know. I'm playing half size, to be honest with you. I'm playing micros, personally. Yo, what up, Victor? No cha-ching. Every time your quant tower makes noise, I panic thinking I left an order open. Dude, quant tower makes too many noises. Like every time I place a move an order, it makes a noise. I need to get rid of that. It's like catching the bottom of this pullback is a ticking time bomb. We'll see what happens, Billy. I don't know. I don't know where the bottom will be. I mean, it doesn't look great. Or basically, almost at 20,000. Oh, you could definitely get demolished trying to find the bottom. How I would say I would try to find the bottom is I'd wait till we flip one of these gaps. Who the fuck is that guy? Oh, I bet there's a bunch of orders sitting down there. Move my stop up. Come on. At least get this one out. I could move my stop. Please. I know. That's what I was thinking, except I just got fucking bottom ticked. I literally, did they fucking just bottom tick me? I was looking at that, Luke, that we touched 20,000 could just be the bottom. I would love to see them just rip it. You know what it looks like? Looks like there's more downside. Oh, baby. I don't like that it dumped ever since he got off the mic. There hasn't been any bounce. This is no bounce. That just bottom ticked me. Bottom ticked me, and we're going to go up. Yo, Sean, you done? I do think we finished going up. Dude, I'm short. I mean, this is kind of where the run started. You got PSD? You got PSD? Yeah. Dude, that 350 candle is going to be massive today. I think we're going to get a massive 350 candle. Actually, I got to set it up right now. Oh, hold on. All right. 350 candle. What are we doing here? I got to play. We're going to do. I'm just looking. 183. All right. Dude, I'm locked and loaded. I am locked and loaded for a 350 candle. Dude, this thing retraced a lot. Vote for big ball race. We'll do the big balls today. We'll do the big balls. There's been a lot of basically there's people from last night's stream, this morning's stream, and today's stream. So the final race will be 3 people, and they're gonna be in the big balls. We'll do, yeah. Got to do the big balls. Got some big balls, baby. Well, I guess I'm not getting fucking filled. Dude, momentum's taking this up, though. Are we going to hold right here? Dude, this is like algo central. I don't know. Got to get on that premium girthy. Dude, I got that. I'll make that short today, Sean. Bro, my kids are getting freaking crazy in the background. That's a bullish sign. Super bullish. Super bullish. You know what the problem is? They come in out right outside my office door. I have where they do their homework. It's not optimal. You want some premium girthy? Within a slap's reach, a little bit further, but yeah. Right there. Yeah, I'm playing smaller just due to the fact that this is all over the place. I do think it rips though. I like want to buy 5 micros and just hold it, but you got to get in on a dip. Got to get it on a dip. A dip and keep the tight stop. The real dip would be down 73. You know, we get down to like 73. Ooh, baby. Yo, who's playing 350, baby? We got 15 minutes. 15 minutes, baby. Oh, jeez. Freaking ligaments just cracked. Yo, Ray, you playing this? Ray, what are you in? Long, short? What are you doing? Looking for a long? We get a 200 bounce? Damn, this thing just freaking... Honestly, this doesn't look good. What EMAs are you running in your chart? I typically trade the 5-minute with the 13. So I have the 9, which is this purple. This green is the 34. This red is the 105, which is the 21 on the 5. And I have the 200. And then I have the VWAP. Yeah, so that's kind of what I have. On this chart, I go as far as, damn, it created one of those 3-bar reversals right here. It's just that's so big. Your stop loss would be 145. It's a massive stop loss. I can't play that. I can't. Also, you only have 23 minutes, and that's the 15-minute. So I can't play that. Let's see. If we get over 2012, probably rip it back up. Yeah, I prefer to scalp personally. I do want to get into more of a swing. I need to get a setup that is more swing oriented. Or maybe I just back it out to like the 3-minute or the 5-minute. You know, where I'm holding a bit longer than I do now. The problem is I play minis. So, 10-point move on a mini is $200. Like, you could be done for the day with $200. What are you playing? Like the 8 crosses the 34? Something like that? The 13 over the 48? I'll put that on my chart, Luke, and see what it looks like. What I hate is like some of them are like delayed. Like, so you wouldn't go short till right here. And it's like, well, you missed all of this. You know what I'm saying? So it's one of those things that I would like to get something that's more reactive. But I guess if I would have taken this, I would have been long down here. And I would probably have just freaking stayed in it, I guess, right? 20 points is $100 for one NQ. No. That's 20 ticks. Points and ticks are two different things. There's 4 ticks to a point. So 20 ticks is $100. 20 points is 400. I just want you to know, Dell, like when when you're setting this this is ticks, not points. If you do set that up. On the 5, all right. What up, Edmund? Yo, welcome to the stream, brother. I think that we're just gonna, in general, close to the upside just because of what they talked about QE and everything else. I'm just scalping here to the up a little bit, but I think that they're slowing up, reducing the balance sheet, we are going to push to the upside probably tomorrow too. Yeah, man, dude, this is everybody in here is pretty cool. Everyone's just hanging out, trading some stocks, some options, some futures. I would say a little bit of everything. I think they're going to push it. End of day push. I'm calling for a gap up tomorrow. Oh, Dell, you thought they were the same thing? Oh, when you say you're going for 40 points, I mean 40 ticks? Yeah, 40 points. Yeah. 40 points is 160 ticks. Yeah, so you're going there for 10 points. Yeah. It's all good, man. It's all good. I don't mean to correct. I don't mean to correct anybody. I just wanted to throw it out there. That's like when you were talking about the sweeping thing. I just wanted to show you, because if you were going off of something that I said, I just wanted to make sure that I explained it correctly. Yeah, a point is 4 ticks. Every tick on the NQ is 0.25. Yeah, so when you're setting up like the ATM orders, they're based on ticks. So 4 points to a tick. Yeah, no, I know. I just don't ever want it to come off combative or anything like that. You know, I'm just trying to help everybody out. And I'm sure somebody else on the stream might have the same question. Yo, what up, George? Nice. Very nice, man. Keep it rolling. I don't want to confuse it with Forex. Yo, what up, Paul? Yeah, Luke. Listen, I like listening to whatever you guys got to say. I learned stuff from you guys also. Like, I want you guys to put your input in, because that's what I want this to be, an area that everybody shoots ideas off of each other, not just, hey, just follow me and follow my trades. Like, you know, I want you guys to give your input in also, you know. That's what makes it good, not that I'm just trading and you're just watching. Like, you know, I want it to be more like that. What's up, Larry? See, I messed with it up because every tick on YM is $1. So yeah, the ticks differ. Yeah. I usually talk in points, to be honest with you. I usually talk how many points because it's just easy. Unless I'm setting like this up, then you'll hear me say ticks, but I'm usually in points. Yo, what up, Joseph? Woo! Yo, slow and steady, my man. Slow and steady. It's when you try to push it that you blow the accounts. Dude, you passed that My Funded Futures eval? That's sweet. I passed one today. I passed one on this thing. Yo, if we close anywhere up here, this is definitely bullish. This is definitely a massively bullish day. I think we're going to continue through the week, being that today is what, Wednesday? As long as there's no new tariff news or any of the other BS that comes, I truly think we're going to be in for a yeah, you can do it. Oh, jeez. Hey, man, just keep doing what you're doing. There's no reason to deviate. If you're winning a certain way. Yeah, if he chills out the rest of the week. Yo, what up, Dennis? Can we trade news on Take Profit? You can't. So you can on evals, not on funded accounts. So on funded, you have to be out of the trade 1 minute before and 1 minute after. Yeah, not on pro accounts. Evals you can. 4 hour. Let me I'll take a peek. I'll take a little peek-see. Let's see what we got on the 4 hour. Oh, see, this is the short setup. Look. See how we had this fair value gap and we just inverted? That's what that guy was talking about when we do the hourly sweeps. I don't play it any other time, but this is the 4 hour. It's interesting. The market's going to close here. So it seems so you have this wick down and all of this that we've traded at. If we can get over that, you probably have a clear ride. This was my initial target, by the way. Remember, I think we're going to get to 20,600 area, and then we're going to roll back over. So I think we have another 600 points of upside. Somewhere between 600. Somewhere in here, I think we're going to hit, and then we're going to roll over. Right in this area. And then we're going to roll back over. That's what I think. What indicator is this? Inverted fair value gaps by Lux Algo. It's right here. Inversion fair value gaps. Okay. Do not do this. I'm just telling everybody, do not do this. Do not do this. Okay? This was the easiest short of the day. Hey, man, as long as you're getting it, get it. Don't stop. Get it. Get it. Bro, is it easier than that short? Oh, fuck me. Dude, I just did it in micros. I just did it in 3 micros, and I didn't even copy trade it. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro. I don't want to say my luck, but my luck has not been great. Like just stupid mistakes That was a stupid mistake, guys. That was a real stupid mistake. Who got, yo, tell me in the chat, who just got that big win? That was a massive win. Yo, I made $24, Sean. Who just got that win? Like I already came twice. Dude. You didn't play it, CT? Oh my God. The stats are so good. Dude, I was just for reference, I was copy trading that in 1, 2, 3, 4. I was copy trading that in 4 accounts. Oh my God, I can't believe that just happened. Dude. That was pure money. All because I was in micros. Dude. So hit it again? I'm not, it's not the same now. That sucks. What's the setup? So we play the 350 candle. So basically, see this candle, 349? Market on close happens at 350, and then it becomes an algorithm candle. So this is the algo candle. Basically, I play the bottom of this candle and the top. So when it breaks one way or the other, we get that money. And I did it, but I did it in micros and in one account. Usually I copy trade it in multiple accounts. I don't ever play the 355. $355 doesn't always move as much. 350 is the big one. Dude, that's crazy. What up, Kaba? Look at 354. This is 354 now. See, so like if you're going to play this candle, you're here and here. Yeah, Edmund, if you played it right, you would have made. Actually, I even set the numbers up wrong. It should have been 20 ticks. Basically, you make $300. I don't get what you just did. So we play the 350 candle, and I was supposed to play it in minis and copy trade it. Instead, I was in micros, and there was no copy trading. So instead of 3 minis, I was in 3 micros. See, so this one just happened, but I mean, yeah, you would have made money. It's just an iffy one. The big one is 350. I can't believe I missed it, though. Dude, I set an alarm. Like, I have an alarm on my phone that notifies me about it. Get a quick 200 bounce? No? Dude. Little head and shoulders right there. I'm not in it. I'd like to see it bounce here because we are oversold. head, shoulder, head. I know it's supposed to happen at the top of a pattern. I know that. So it's technically not a head and shoulders. I'm well aware if someone's thinking that. It's about to push one way or another. I want to see him push it up, personally. I got a dick for it was up. Oh, yeah, Joshua. Feels like they're going to run it. I'd love to see him run it. The news was really good. Just fucking hold. Miguel, you're buying here? Come on, get a nice green candle here. Lord have mercy. May the odds forever be in our favor. Reducing QE is definitely positive. Doesn't look great. Why can't you see my entry price? I don't know. What do I got to do? Tell me what I got to do. I'll add it. I'll add it. Where do you want me to? What do you got to do? That. There you go. That. So I guess it's this blue line. I should have got in closer to the 200 is where I should have got in at. See, like I should have got in like here. Like almost 10 points lower. So I got a bad entry. Being that I got a bad entry, it forces me to stay in this because normally I would be out. I would have gotten 10 points. But the fact is my entry sucks. So now I'm hanging in here. I'm out. $360. Yeah, dude, I have no problem. One of my other charts has it. Because I see that blue line on other times I get in. Maybe it's when I get in on micros. But I'm out. So if you're in, I'm out. Just keep pumping it, baby. Oh, it's 401. Market actually is closed now. Yeah, market's closed. Well, that's how I finished in there. That's a good day. Dude, I can't believe I fucked up the 350 move, because that was literally $300 in a bunch of accounts. Actually, this one would have been always got tomorrow. Always got tomorrow. Yo, what up, Cards fan? Oh, that's crazy, though. Dude, what the fuck is going on outside? Jeez. Dude, that was a solid day. That was a solid day. Oh yeah. Yeah. That was a we might still go up. What up, Piano Trader? Man. Yo, what news do we got tomorrow? Do we got any news tomorrow? Let's see. Economic. Let's check out the news. You got Monday, Tuesday. Oh, dude, we got jobless claims in the morning tomorrow? Yo, tomorrow could move the market a little bit to pass accounts. Yeah. How did I do today? I did pretty good. I passed a My Funded Futures account. I got some of these accounts up. I freaking hammered some accounts. Last night I blew this. Last night I blew one of these, and then the copy trader broke. Kind of like a mixed bag. Take Profit Trader still hasn't taken my money out of this account. Daily payouts stopped today because they didn't allow me to trade today. How fucked up is that? That's so messed up. That sucks. Dude, I don't know what my neighbors got going on, but I don't know what they're doing. Yo, all day, like, just send the money to me. I don't understand. Full send it, baby. All day DCA. I don't know. It's just ridiculous. Like, I made the money in the account. You have no rules. Just send the money over so I can withdraw. How did my trade copier fail? I don't know, because so see how I copy traded all these accounts? All these accounts and some of these PA accounts were all mixed in with these two. So I don't know what happened. It just didn't. I don't know. Operator error? I don't know. I don't know. It didn't follow the same trades over. I don't know why. I don't know. Set up a script. I was using Replicanto. I was using Replicanto to try to to do it. Yeah. Why? What's Hacks? Do you use a script? Quant Tower is Quant Tower one. I think is the best out of all of them. I think Quant Tower is the best. Yeah. I don't. It's on NinjaTrader, so I don't know. I didn't check anything. I would normally take this long. I hate trading after hours. I don't even know why I did that. The setup is nice. During normal market hours, I would say we were going up, but who the fuck knows? I'm just looking to see what I got here. Damn. Guys, I'm now only $250 from passing a 250K. Dude, that's crazy. You had to make $15,000. Yeah, you got to make 15,000. Those are big. Those are real big. Yeah. Did you put in for a free take profit trader on Instagram? I did not. I definitely did not. Why? Who won? Anybody that we know win? Are you going to make me look? Let's see. Yo. Oh, shit. Yo, it says Forex Nurse on Instagram. Are you Forex Nurse on Instagram? Yeah. Forex Nurse. Yo, you want a free take profit trader account. Dude, you have to DM take profit trader on Instagram. Yeah. DM take profit trader on Instagram. Yeah. That's cool. Congrats, man. Don't smoke it in one day. Trade it nice and easy. It's on Instagram, visible. Yeah. On Insta. Oh, man. Yeah. Shoot him a message. Oh. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Yo, it's a 50K account. It's like $119. You just won. Doesn't get better than that. No, it's a funded 50K? By the way, I'm getting out of this. It looks like we're not breaking. I'll get out of this with minimal damage. Dude, a funded 50K? Get the frig out of here. That's wild if you got that. I don't know if it is. Yeah, I don't know. If it is, that's awesome. I have no idea though. I didn't even know about it. About the whole yeah, I'll tell you what it is. Let's see. Dude, you want a pro account. Dude, that's a free funded account, man. Wow. Yeah, it is. Congratulations to these 4 free pro account winners. Dude. That's massive. That's really nice. Dude, that's probably Take Profit Trader is the GOAT. I will say that account's like a $400 or $500 account. You know, because it probably takes you 3 turns to pass it or more. Yeah. That's awesome, man. What up, Rosales? Yo, we'll run this thing in 7 minutes. Oh, jeez. Dude, that's crazy. You know what it is? They're too different because Top Step does like the whole Top Step TV, and Take Profit Trader is kind of like the problem with Top Step is you can only take out half your money for the first 30 days. While Take Profit Trader, you could take it all out on day. You could take whatever the split is on day 1. You know what I mean? Like that split is like day 1, I take money out. Take Profit Trader is the Uber of prop firms. I just find it that Take Profit Trader doing daily payouts is just where it's at. You have to be above the buffer, right? Yes. Once you're above the buffer, like this, like you could just take money out every day. So you don't have to keep the money in there to like build up. Like if you make $200, take the money out. If you make $1,000, take the money out. Like every day you're above the buffer, you just take money out. That's what's nice about it. The reason you take the money out is because say you get caught and you lose the account, at least you've taken your money out. Unless they don't take your money out. If they don't take your money out, then you sit there and you wait until you get your freaking money, because I will not trade the account until I get my $100. That's it. Like they owe me $100 because that's what I made yesterday. Damn, it's another bum. What's up, Marie? What's the buffer? 52,000. $2,000 buffer. No. No, $2,000 buffer, and you just kind of you just take daily withdrawals. Honestly, it kind of feels like more real money when you're taking daily from there because you just know that whatever trade you do and you make, you can take the money out that day. So you kind of treat those accounts a little bit different than you do like an Apex account. You know, like what sucks about Apex is like I have this account. It's almost at $59,000 and I can't take the money out because of a consistency rule. So now I have to build this up to a consistency, and it's a pain in the ass. Yeah, we had a pretty decent day. You know what I'm saying, though? Like, that's the difference. Like, the mindset on a Take Profit Trader Pro account is much different. The 25K is only 1,500 buffer. Yep. Yep. Drawdown is $1,500 also. But yeah, it's 1-to-1. A lot of people like those accounts, the 25Ks. Yeah, probably better off. You can reset pro accounts. You may or may not be able to reset a funded account on my funded futures. I am not 100% sure. I don't know. I find, Sean, my funded future accounts, because you can only play one mini, I find like I let it move around in there more. Yeah, I don't recommend resetting the accounts because they're like $600. So like resetting a Take Profit Trader account is say $600. If I pass 1 in 3, I can have a funded account for like $300. So I don't reset them because I could pass at a better rate than the cost. But obviously there's time involved and whatnot. But yeah, I like my funded futures. I treat the accounts a little bit different. Take Profit Trader accounts, I always treat them to be the best. I try to take the very best trades with Take Profit Trader. It's just the way. It's the way I feel about them. All right, last chance. Anybody that wants to jump in, submit right now at the bottom. You got 1 more minute to enter. And then I'm going to let this ride. So I actually have a little special game today. Don't stop Cove and Cove. All right, here we go. So basically, I streamed last night, this morning. So we're going to have 3 winners, and then the 3 winners are going to race against each other in a special ball bag race. Let me shut down my Ninja Trader. If you're new on the stream, we stream every day, 10:30 to noon, and again, 2 p.m. to 4:30. Subscribe below, and then you got to hit that little bell button to get notified. Otherwise, YouTube doesn't always notify you. If you want to support the stream because you like free accounts, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows me to do this all the time. So each race, I'm setting it up right now. You have 2 minutes to claim your. You have 2 minutes to claim it. If you're not here, you don't get it. Let's see. Don't stop. Get it. Yo, big ball race. Big balls race is sponsored by Doge. Quack, quack, baby. Oh, yeah. So we'll have 3 winners. We'll see what happens. They said I should get an account tomorrow. Dude, that's awesome. Come on. Gooch Buster? Oh, man. What do we got? There's going to be 3 winners. Damn, no profit trader. It's 422. Are you here? No profit trader. You got to 424. Otherwise, we're going to rerun this shit. Is he here? Oh, there he is. All right. Let's see who else we got. Who else is in the running? Yo, it's 420. Do you know where your kids are? Cocktimus Prime. Jeez. USADA tested his duck and DQ'd him. Is USADA still around? Yo, the Trump duck's out front. This is everybody that was on the stream at 10:30 to noon. So if you weren't on the stream earlier today, you are not in this race. You had to be on the stream early on. It's 424. It's 424. Kron, are you here? Are you here, Kron? Yo, they've never let the Trump duck win. Ever. Ever. The Trump duck has never won. Not once. All right, here we go. Oh, Jesus. Yo, this is everybody that's on the afternoon stream. So this is everybody that's here. And then you're all going to race on a special race I got. Never before seen. Never before seen race. Yo. Quack, quack, baby. Dude, I still can't believe I missed the 350 trade. That's crazy. Yo, tomorrow I'm going to do 10 cons in a new account, 10 cons on the 350 trade, and I'm only going to do that one trade in the account until I take a payout. It's just going to be 10 cons every day. 10 cons every day on that one account. Damn, visible. Yo, are you here? And then we're going to set up a special race. You're going to want to see this. Yo, visible, you here? Oh, watch this. Here we go. I'm fine. Oh, there we go. Yo. Oh, baby. Yo, think of South Park Big Balls. Oh, baby. Yo, Kron, you're doing such a good job, man. Kron's not going to win. Out too far. Yo, visible. No, look. Kron held. That's how I feel walking around all day. Yo, they didn't make the one from the back come up this time. Yo, I guess each race is a little bit different. All the way, baby. Yo, you took that home. Dude, your ball riding ability is just so amazing. Brazilians can't participate. Kron had some big blue balls. Here we go. Do we keep it going? Do we keep the big balls in the rotation? I don't know if you guys liked it, disliked it. What are we doing here? Big balls every Tuesday? Yo, I want to see how many people I can put in the big balls. Professional ball riders. Let's see. Some of the races you can only do 6 people. I'm curious how many people I can do in the ball race. Yo, Tennessee Rob in the house. What's up, man? Haven't seen you in a bit. How have things been? Yeah, you can only have 6 people riding the balls. Can I say no bromo? I'm just looking to see what else they got here. Shark races. Dude, they got camel toe races. I meant camel races. Clown races. Dude. Hey, yo. Yo, they got all types of stuff. Yo. They let it get wild over there. Yo, I went to one of those, Dell. I showed up with no chicken. I was wondering what, I was a little out of place. I didn't know to bring a chicken with me. I trained for months also. All that training went down the drain. Oh. Preparing to travel after a year off of the roads. Oh. What do you drive trucks, I guess, Rob? By the way, Take Profit Trader has a bracket for March Madness that you could set up. It's got to be filled out by tomorrow afternoon. But yeah, if you want to do it, there's a Take Profit Trader bracket. Yo, professional knee slapper? Bro. Yo, now's the time to ask questions, by the way, because there's somebody on here that has questions about indicators, strategies, prop firms, strategies about questions about how prop firms work, how payouts work. Any questions that you may have. If you have questions about prop firms, that will answer. If you don't want to ask in the chat, that should answer some of your questions. I'll take a look after the stream, Kron, but thanks. Yeah, if you got if you're new and you got questions about anything, if you've been around for a while and got questions. Oh, damn. Traveling around. Yeah, Kron, I'll look in a little bit, right? As soon as I'm done with the stream. But yeah. Dude, 350 worked again. Opening range worked again today. I use the EMA crossovers. So which ones do you use, Dell? I can bring it up on here. What do you use? 1 minute chart. Nine and the 14. So let's see what we get. Well, that's the 9 already. Of course, the fucking color's got to be like. All right. So we got pink and blue. Oh, so you basically take it here. I use the crossovers from 8:30 to 12 for entry. What do you use? I guess you're going in 1 mini? 1 mini micros? What are you using? 5 micros? Yeah, that's about the size I was thinking about. Yo, what is it? What's up, Pete? What is this? This is one of my trading view charts that has hourly sweeps on it. It has the hourly sweeps on it, which is that. That's what I use this setup for. But, oh, geez, I sneezed so much today. I kind of like it. Any tips on lasting longer? Yeah, they make a pill for that. They make spray for that. Well, it was interesting. I gave you another short video idea on Discord. Bro, I'll make them. If you see any good ideas, throw it in Discord. I love making those videos. Geez. Little Cove's going crazy. Dude, I'll do it without a doubt. But they what do you call it? I'm definitely interested because I end up selling out too early so many times. I'm curious if I get in where I want to get in and then just kind of follow, you know. I had a friend that literally just did the 8 and 34 on Heikkens. So his thing was 8.34 and he used Heikkens. And he actually made a lot of money. It's just interesting. Obviously, if you get chopped up, so like if you took a day like yesterday, you could definitely get chopped up like shit like this. See, well, no, actually, it crosses, it kind of stays like that. Yeah, I guess you just got, oh, well, now I'm not even in. So here we go. This is the real test. Let's see what this looks like. No, I guess in the chop, I guess you would have just. I mean, listen, if you get in and it drops like that, I'm fucking out, obviously. I build my own script for it. Yeah, I'll take a look. Is it on TradingView? I take a look at everything. Yeah, I take a look at everything. Always look at everything because you never know when you find like a little nugget of information that you like or dislike. Like I'm always like, what's everybody doing because I want to learn. So yeah, I have no problem taking a peek at it. You know, like for argument's sake, CT brought up the 350 candle. That's won 5 days in a row. So like even if we lose, we're still so far ahead that how do I not play it every day? You know, it's so far in the money. It's so far in the money. Like we would have to lose like 3 times in a row for me to be like break even on it. You know, dude, I'm willing to try this. All right, guys, I'm calling it right here. I'll be back tomorrow, 10:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. If you're new and didn't subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And I have a feeling the markets are going to be a lot better. FOMC is in the rear view. You got jobs at 8:30 tomorrow if you want to try passing an account. But I think we're going to trend up for a little bit. All right. Peace out, Cub Scout.